Hey guys, Cypher here with Ralph and Justin. Ralph's iPad is also charging. Justin joined the game. Today I'm going to show you on how to build a mob grinder or mob trap. Well, not all of it, but I'm making a second floor for the mob trap. Yeah. Second floor. Now let's go build this. Alright. What are you doing with your head, Ralph? It's really simple to do. Just build something like this. Like a cross. Yeah. And the mobs will spawn here on the surface when I'm done with the cross. Hey, look, it's that Ralph is going to get his iPad. So let's just wait for him to get it. And he'll join the game. Doesn't have you joined? Oh, good. You need 8 water here. So you will need it. Justin, can you go to your bed now? Sleep. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm just making a second floor for the spawner or not grinder. So make something look like this. Oh wait, let me just sleep, guys. I don't need to sleep. I'm just gonna free craft. Sorry for being a cheater. Time to sleep. Woohoo! Alright, go. So now, if you're making a second floor, make sure you cover this. This is I'm just making a second floor, but it's almost like a tutorial. So make a cross like this. Alright, we're done here. Then put the water here. As you can see, it stops there, so it drags the mobs over there. I'm actually planning to make 3 floors, so I'll get lots of the mob drops there. So it's really efficient. Because 1 floor is not enough for me. Now just, if you're making a second floor, cover this so they'll spawn here. So I'm just gonna pause this one, guys, because this is gonna take a while. So yeah. We're back, guys. Now I'm with Ralph. He's helping me build the mob grinder. And you want to make it 3 in height. That way, I made a mistake there. After this video, we're actually planning to make a 3rd floor again. Just me like it. Alright, Ralph, make the roof. I'll make the roof. If you don't make a roof, what good is your spawner? Or I mean, grinder. So, fill the roof up with cobblestone. I won't pause this because I'm too lazy. Come on, Ralph. Finish it. It's gonna take you like maybe a 1 floor spawner is, I think, 15 stacks of cobblestone. Took me a lot of stacks. Ralph, are you making the roof already? That way the monsters will go here. I'll just demonstrate. I won't die anyway because this mod doesn't let you die. The flying survival mod doesn't let you die. Ralph, continue making the roof. So like post the mobs, they can't stop it because they're too weak. Even if they did, it would be really hard for them. And then they fall to the doom. This is the past resources for about 3 minutes ago, I think. 3 minutes. Before this video, those were the resources we got. But there aren't any mobs spawning yet because we're not finished with the second floor. Dude, why are there still holes here? Right here. Almost done. After this, after we finish the mob grinder, we're gonna show you how awesome it is. Well, it's a 2 floor because it's more efficient because 2 floors. We're planning actually to make it 5 floors, right, Ralph?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if there are already monsters spawning. That's one big spawner. Grinder. Okay, let's see. Faster! Come on, Ralph, let's get in. Let's see them spawn. Oh my! Did I just see? What did I see? Come on, come on. Hey, what happened to the... Come on. Peace. Okay. Oh, you think? This is a really efficient mob spawner. I think this is one of the best I've ever seen. I've seen better. Right. Why are there any monsters spawning yet? Hey, mobs, don't you want to eat my flesh? You know what, never mind. We just put the glowstone there for decoration. Already, mobs. Oh, do not kill me, please. So there's, you can see there are mobs spawning. If you added more floors, it would be really awesome. More awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.